Welcome and welcome back to Millennial Money Making with Diamond and Sherry, where we teach you how to start a part-time business while keeping your full-time job, because it's all about multiple streams of income. So as you can see by the title of this video, we will be talking about how you can start making money by investing in cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies are things such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other ones. There are so many and that for you to explore. So I will be talking a lot about Bitcoin because that is the biggest one at the moment. But before we get started, I just want to say I am not a financial advisor. I am just a girl with the camera trying to make money and trying to show you guys how to make money as well. So let's just get into it. Why should you even start investing in cryptocurrencies, and what is so special about cryptocurrencies? So I know that there are a lot of people that want to stay away because they're unsure of what Bitcoin actually is or what any cryptocurrency is at all. Well, first of all, we have to talk about the US dollar, or we have to talk about fiat currencies in general. If you know anything about fiat currencies, they always fail. There has never been a fiat currency that did not fail. And if you have been listening to economic experts, then you would know that they have been saying for years that the US dollar is failing and will fail very soon. Everything that has happened in 2020, the government has had to print and flood our system with the US dollar. So when they keep printing and printing and printing money, that actually causes hyperinflation. Hyperinflation basically means that there is a depletion in the fiat currency. For example, if you were going to the market to buy something that cost $2, now it costs $2.75. So things are becoming inflated. Products are becoming inflated because the dollar is losing its value. And so what we see what's going on even today, when there's talks of printing more money and giving out trillions and trillions of dollars through stimulus checks and everything else like that. It's a bittersweet thing because yes, people do need the financial help, but also in the long run, it is hurting our currency. If the US currency goes down, then many other foreign currencies will also go down. Bitcoin is not a fiat currency and is actually competing with gold at the moment. If you know anything about gold and silver, you know that gold and silver has been around for a very, very long time and has never failed since. So it is smart to start taking what you have, which is the US dollar, and to put it into other currencies to store your wealth. And also, while storing your wealth, while the fiat currencies are crashing, other currencies are actually going up in value. So just as with gold and silver, when the US dollar starts to crash or starts to deplete, then gold and silver actually goes up. This is the same thing that happens with cryptocurrencies. When the US dollar is going down, Bitcoin and other cryptos are actually shooting upward. So you want to make sure that you're taking your money and putting it in the right places at the right time so that you can see a profit in the long run. Again, I am not a financial advisor, and this is no get rich quick scheme. We need to start thinking like the rich does. And the rich knows when to put their money into investments and when to hold their investments and then to let go of their investments. And right now it is time to hold your investment. As you can see, we are in an economic crisis at the moment. So if you are able to put your money in investments, or even just putting $25 away, $50 away, and putting it into cryptocurrency, you will start to see great returns in the long run. I believe it was the beginning of this month when Bitcoin hit its all-time high of 41,000, and the month prior to that it hit an all-time high of 21,000. So even between last month and this month, there was a $20,000 difference. Now understand that Bitcoin does fluctuate. All cryptos fluctuate up and down, but this is nothing to be afraid of. This is not a time to run away from it, but you want to actually start investing when the market starts to go downward a bit, because we can see from its trend that it is bound to shoot up. Economic experts are actually saying that they expect Bitcoin to be worth $175,000 per Bitcoin by the year 2022. And by April of 21, so just in a few months, they're expecting that Bitcoin will be $50,000 to $75,000 per coin. Right now, it is at, I believe, $32,000 per coin. So you want to buy low and sell high. That is for all investments, whether that it be gold and silver, precious metals, or it be real estate, or it's cryptocurrencies. Whenever you're investing, just remember to buy low and sell high. This is how you make money. So you want to start putting money in to cryptocurrencies, and not only just Bitcoin, but Ethereum. You want to look into other cryptocurrencies as well that are starting off small but are growing rapidly, because that is how you see a real return on your investment. Just imagine for those people who jumped on Bitcoin when it was only a couple $1,000s, so $2,000, $1,000 per Bitcoin, and now it's seen its highest at 41,000 per Bitcoin. That is crazy, and is expected to go even higher within a few months. Imagine those people and how much of a return that they get on their investment, where they're able to sell it and have a large amount of profit in their pockets. So this is how you see those massive amounts of profits and how you really start building wealth through investing, whether that be in the stock or whatever it is. Always remember, when you're investing in anything, buy low and sell high. So you want to make sure that you get on this crypto train while the market is lower, because it is expected to shoot up, and it's done so for the last couple of years. So there is no reason to believe that it is crashing anytime soon. But we do know that the US dollar is crashing. So we want to trade in that fiat money for other currencies that can store our wealth. Also, another thing about the US dollar that is an issue is that obviously controlled by our government, as well as the stock market. The stock market is controlled by our government. So the thing about cryptocurrencies, it is decentralized, meaning that it is not government ran, it is not government controlled. So with this, the government cannot manipulate it, it cannot flood its system. And also cryptocurrencies actually have market caps, unlike the US dollar, where they can print as much money as they want to print. Cryptocurrencies all have market caps. I believe Bitcoin has a market cap of about $599 billion, so the system can never be flooded, unlike the US dollar. You will be able to see great profits from it in the future. So this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is how you can start investing your money. And while you're sleeping, your money is actually multiplying for you. You're making money while you are asleep by simply just investing here and investing there. I'm not telling you to dump your life savings into anything, into cryptocurrencies, into real estate, into any of that. But what I'm saying is to start having it in your mind, to start putting away money so that you can later on invest it. But don't wait too late. You want to start investing now. In my next video, I will show you how you can use different platforms to automatically start investing little by little, whether it be $25 a week or it be $50 a week or $100 a week, whatever is comfortable for you, so that you can start putting money into these cryptocurrencies and start seeing your returns soon. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will have plenty more content coming for you. Again, we are showing you how you can start making money while you sleep and while having a full-time job as well, because you don't have to quit your job to have a part-time business. Also, if you're interested in learning about more business ideas that you can start for under $100, then please check the description below. Go to my website, MILLENNIALmoneymaking.com, and you can get a free ebook of 100 business ideas to start for under $100. Okay, thank you all for watching. Be blessed.